Hey everybody, now that you have an idea of what it means to use modular arithmetic, or what it's called, we call it mods, or sometimes the mod number is called a modulus, which I'll spell out for you. M-O-D-U-L-U-S. But he didn't really show you any ways to add with moduluses. I don't know if that's the right word. So I kind of wanted to demonstrate a little bit for you. So here I've got what I like to call an addition table. It's kind of like one of our multiplication tables, except we're adding. And we're going to do all our addition in mod 3. So just like Paul described, the only numbers that we can use here are 0, 1, and 2. So I'm going to start adding across. I'm going to add 0 here to all these numbers, all the way across. So 0 plus 0 is 0. That's still in our acceptable range. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. But I can't use 3, so I got to start over at 1. I mean at 0. 0 plus 4 is 4, but I can't use 4, so I have to keep going with my pattern. 0, 1, 2. 0 times 0 plus 5 is 5. So that's got to be 2. 0 plus 6 is 6. That's going to be a 0. So a lot of what he does is he uses the formula, let's see, N equals QM plus R. And it doesn't have to be this complicated as using QM plus R. What we can really do is take this number, for instance, when we do 0 plus 6, and we can take 6 and divide it by our modulus, which is 3. And that gives us 2 with no remainder. And what we're really looking for is the remainder. So that's why 6 is equivalent to 0 mod 3. Same thing with 7. 7 divided by 3 is going to equal 2 with a remainder of 1. Yeah, we're going back a few years and dealing with remainders again. So we've got 1, and this continues. That's one of the nice things about addition. Let's see, 1, 2, 0. Now, if I start adding the 1s, I get 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, but I can't use 3. But 3 divided by 3 leaves me with a remainder of 0. So we can kind of see what pattern we're going to deal with here. 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Whoops. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. Let's skip down a little bit here, and let's take a look at 8 plus. Let's look at the 8 row. 8 plus 0 is 8. But 8's not an acceptable value. So 8 divided by 3 is going to be 2 with a remainder of 2. So 8 plus 0 is the same as 2 mod 3. 8 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 divided by 3 gives me a remainder of 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 divided by 3 gives me a remainder of 1. 10 divided by 3 is 3 with a remainder of 1. So we can see how this pattern is going to go here. Now, I do want to talk about a little bit if we were using a different modulus. And I just kind of copied this over. I'm going to erase a lot of this writing here. And I'm going to change my mod here to maybe mod 8. So that means that all of the numbers that we can use are between 0 and 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to be okay when we add zeros. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we start running into trouble. 0 plus 8 is 8. Well, let's see. 8 divided by our modulus, which is 8, is going to give me 1 with a remainder of 0. And that's what we care about as our remainder. So we have 0 here. 9 is going to be the same thing with a remainder of 1. 10, same thing, remainder of 2. 11, remainder of 3. 12, remainder of 4. And I bet we can probably figure out what's going to go on here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Whoa, can't use 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, remainder 0. So we have our remainder in there. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 divided by 8 is 1, remainder 1. So we start all over again. This is what's kind of cool. 1 plus 12 is 13. 13 divided by our modulus is 8, which gives me 1 with a remainder of 5. Just for kicks, let's take a look at this 12 plus 12. Well, 12 plus 12, that's 24. 24 divided by 8 is going to equal 3 with a remainder of 0. So we're going to have a 0 go right in here. So what you're going to see in the next few adventure stops, or the next few quest stops, is going to be some addition tables. And I think I've got 3 of them for you. Maybe 4. I think it's 4. In different moduluses. I think it's mod 3, mod 8, mod 12, and mod 16, or something like that. So the addition ones are going to be pretty easy. And then after we do the addition ones, we're going to start looking at multiplying things. So that's going to be a lot more fun as well. So I hope this helped. I'm going to be posting this as well as the tables in this quest stop and in the next few as well. So I hope this works well for you. Thanks.